Hello everyone, my name is Chad Dillard, and today I want to give you a quick introduction to the new LP360 user interface that we've been working on. And so we've done a pretty big redesign of how we organize the different tool sets and kind of refresh the interface a little bit. So I want to show you around the software. I'm just going to open up previous project that I have. And so you probably can already see that the interface looks totally different. We've refreshed a lot of the buttons. On top of that, we have um, gone with a tab design or a ribbon design where we have tabs with various tools on each tab, and we've kind of organized them based on when those tools would be used or what task you're trying to do. So all the same tools that have always existed in LP360 will still be here. We've just tried to organize them a little bit more efficiently. So hopefully this will clean up the interface a bit, make it a little less overwhelming, and organize those tools so that you can find them a little easier. So you can see we still have new project. We still have all the tools, adding files, export wizard, exporting land XML. On the sensor tab, we've got our trajectory processing. So this is where you would create your LiDAR data, do your strip alignment, strip adjustment, those types of things. Archive manager. For mapping, on the map tab, we've got drawing a profile line. We still got the control points, so all these things are still as you have known them to be in LP360, but we've grouped them together, and so that they're not always visible, only visible when you need them. So we think it's a little more efficient. So in addition to updating the user interface, we've now added this concept of toolbar and tab customization. So we can customize the ribbon menu. I can add my own custom ribbon tab that would allow me to add tools, only the tools that I want on there. So let's create one really quickly. I'm going to rename this tools. And then from there, I'll go in and add the tools from the left-hand side here into my toolbar. So let's go add a few tools really quickly. We'll add the Add Files button. Let's go to the Sensor tab. I'll add the Archive Manager and the Job Manager. If we go to the map, definitely going to add my draw a profile line since I use that pretty frequently. To go to the Control Points tab, activate by layer. So then once I get a few tools added to that, I'll click OK. So on top of being able to create my own custom ribbon, I can save this. I can import ones that were sent to me, or I can export them. So it also allows me to share these in my organization. If I create a tab for a particular workflow, I can send this out to others in my organization, and they can just import that and already have that tab. Click OK. Now I have my tab and the tools that I added to it. So that'll allow me to kind of create my own custom ribbon, my own custom tab with the tools that I need. So the other option that we have is creating a custom toolbar. So the toolbar, before I open that up, so this is the ribbon with the tabs along the ribbon, but below that you can see I have this toolbar. And so on the toolbar, if you notice when I click between tabs on the ribbon, the toolbar remains, all the tools are visible. So the tools along each tab on the ribbon get hidden with each click, but the toolbar remains visible. So this is useful for tools that you're going to be using pretty frequently, like the draw a profile line, or switching between the active lies layer, changing your filters, changing the display properties. Those are tools that you use a lot when you're classifying or processing a data set. So it's nice to have those always available to you when you need them. So that's the nice thing about the toolbar. I can also create my own custom toolbar. I'm going to create one So the custom toolbar, so now I've got Chad toolbar showing up. I can close that out, and now you can see I have my custom toolbar showing here. If I click the drop down arrow, I can add or remove buttons. Click on the commands, and then from there I'll add things to my custom toolbar just by dragging and dropping them onto the toolbar. So there's my profile window, draw the 3D window, elevation. I can change the project, map, control points. So I can choose tools that exist on any of these toolbars or any of these ribbons, and add them to my custom toolbar. All right, so now those tools will be available for me regardless of which tab that I click on. So again, having both options to create custom tabs and custom toolbars is very useful, I think. I think it's going to give you a lot of flexibility and control over your processing. So this is the new user interface. If you're interested to learn more, go to LP360.com, use the contact us form, and someone from the sales team will reach out to you and discuss the new user interface of LP360. All right, thanks for watching.